Mitchele watches for women represent elegance, precision, and timeless beauty.
Each watch is designed to reflect confidence, grace, and modern femininity.
This journey begins inside a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility where skilled hands and advanced technology work together.
Let us explore how Mitchele watches for women are made.
Every Mitchele watch begins with a carefully crafted design.
Designers convert ideas into precise digital models.
Colors are chosen to complement modern women's fashion.
Each detail is refined for elegance and readability.
Prototypes are created before mass production begins.
Design accuracy is verified at every stage.
High-grade stainless steel is selected for durability.
Premium materials ensure comfort and long-lasting beauty.
Scratch-resistant crystal protects the dial.
Reliable quartz movements power each watch.
Every material undergoes strict quality checks. Only the best materials move forward.
Precision machines shape the watch cases.
Polishing gives a flawless mirror finish. Dials are crafted with extreme precision.
Elegant colors are applied carefully.
Every number is perfectly aligned.
Women pod. Hand positioning ensures accurate time reading.
Crystal glass is shaped to perfection.
Glass protects beauty and precision.
Mitchele branding is engraved with care.
No imperfection is allowed.
Completed dials move to assembly. Now, the heart of the watch comes together.
The quartz movement is the heart of every Mitchele watch.
Extreme precision ensures long-lasting accuracy.
The movement is carefully placed inside the case.
The crown allows smooth time adjustment.
Hands are aligned for perfect time reading.
The watch is sealed to protect its beauty. Back covers are securely locked.
Each watch is calibrated for accuracy.
Every stitch reflects craftsmanship. The watch receives its final shine. Protective layers prevent scratches. Precision comes to life.
Every watch undergoes strict accuracy tests.
Water resistance ensures daily reliability. Durability is tested under real conditions.
Smooth operation is carefully verified.
Visual perfection is mandatory. Straps are tested for strength and safety. Only flawless watches are approved. Anything less than perfect is removed.
Approved watches receive certification.
The final stage begins. Luxury packaging completes the experience.
Each watch rests in a protective cushion.
Every detail is included.
Presentation matters. Sealed for authenticity. Prepared for safe delivery.
Each package is tracked.
Ready to travel worldwide.
Mitchele watches reach women everywhere. Mitchele watches for women, live soon. Crafted with elegance, made to last.